Hello friends, you are welcome in Genius House, and today we are doing exercise 7.4 part 2. And in a previous video already done the first rule of exercise 7.14, sorry, and now we are doing second rule of 7.4 exercise. And the second rule is that integration, that application comes in this exercise, that is px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay friends, and also that is px plus q by, that is under root ax square plus bx plus c. That type of two type of exercise questions come in this exercise, and now we solve how to solve it. Then first of all, that is so simple, both equations are same. That is already one similarity is that, one difference is that is under root, and we forget this under root and we take a square plus bx plus c. Okay friends, that equation we take, that is, and we put it like p x plus q is equal to a dy dx. I am going to say differentiation of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay friends, plus b. Now we differentiate it, that is px plus q is equal to a ax square, that is 2ax plus b, and c is a constant, that is 0 plus b. Okay friends, now we solve this equation like that. Okay friends, now I explain this by the example. And the first example is that integration x plus 2 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5, and we know, first of all we take, that is equal to px plus q. Okay friends, p, in which p is equal to 1 and x is as it is, plus 2 is q, and that equation is like a square, sorry, ax square plus bx plus c. You see that ax square, that is 2x square, bx 6x, and c, that is 5. And now we take x plus 2, that is a d by dx of, that's all equation, 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus b. So friends, now we differentiate it, that is x plus 2 is equal to a 2x square, that is 4x plus 6, and 5 is a constant, then 0, and that is b. Now we find the value of a and b, and that is, first of all, x plus 2 is equal to, a is multiplied inside, that is a 4xa plus 6a plus b, and now x term we equal to and constant terms take another side. Then 4xa, that side is equal to x, and 6a plus b is equal to 2. Then that is 4 a is equal to xy comes in the denominator, that is 4x, x is divided, and the value of a is 1 by 4. And now we put value of a in this equation and find the value of b. Then 6 1 by 4, value of a is 1 by 4 plus b is equal to 2, and we calculate it, that is by 2, that is 3 and 2, that comes 3 by 2 plus b is equal to 2. Now we take LCM, that is 2, 3 plus 2b is equal to 2, that is 2, and 3 plus 2b, that comes at the multiply side, at 2 multiply 2 is, that is 4, and 2b, that is in a positive, that comes at another side, comes negative, is equal to 1. Then value of b is find, that is 2b is equal to 1, and value of b is equal to 1 by 2. Now we find value of a is equal to 1 by 4, and value of b is 1 by 2. Okay friends, now we put both values in the equation. In the beginning we find x plus 2, that is a 4x plus 6 plus b. Friends, now the first equation we find, which the integration of, that is 2x square plus 6x plus 5. We find the integration of this equation, and we add 2x square plus 6x plus 5 at both contents, that is 2x square plus 6x plus 5, and also a denominator of b, that is 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay, now we put the value of a and b, and we know the value of a and b we already has found, that is equal to a is 1 by 4 integration 4x plus 6 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus, and value of b is 1 by 2 friends, and then dx by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 integration, and okay friends, I don't use at anywhere dx, it's my mistake, but you don't do this type of mistake in the question, in the examination, because it is so necessary. Okay friends, now we put it, and this is equal to I1 and I2, that is 1 by 4 I1 plus 1 by 2 I2. Okay friends, now an I1 equation is 4x plus 6 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 integration. Okay friends, and we solve it by the substitution method, and we put it is equal to t, that is 2x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to t, and we differentiate it. Okay friends, now the differentiation of that is dx, also I forgot, sorry, that is 2x square plus 6x plus 5, and the derivation of 2x, that is 4x plus 6 is equal to dt by dx. Okay, and we write it as 4x plus 6 dx is equal to dt. Now we put this in the equation xi, and the xi equation is integration of 4x plus 6 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx, and 4x plus 6 dx is equal to dt, then 4x plus dx is equal to dt, and we put 2x, put 2x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to t, then we take t, and that. Now we integrate this equation. The integration of dt by t is log t plus c. Okay friends, and the t is equal to this, and we put the value of t at there, that log t is equal to 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus c. Okay my friends, and that is I1 we find, then we put c is equal to c1. Okay, now we come to the I2, point I2. We take I2, and the I2 equation is integration of dx by 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay friends, now first of all we take 2 common, that is 1 by 2 dx by x square plus 6 x by 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay friends, at there we divide it by 6 divided by 2, that is 3, then we write it as x square plus 3x plus 5 by 2. Okay friends, now we calculate this equation. We calculate this equation by the first method of this exercise, that is dx by a x square plus bx plus c. Solve this equation by this method. Okay friends, now first of all we take this equation only, and we solve it. First of all, that is x square plus 3x plus 5 by 2, and I told you in the previous video, that is we find it by the rule of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay friends, and a square is there, b square and 2ab, and 2ab is at there, that is 2ab, and that is a square, but b square we don't know where it is, and we find it by the way of 2ab, that is 3x. And now we find this 2a is equal to x and b it is as it is equal to 3x. Okay friends, now we find b, then b is equal to 3x by, that is coming in denominator, that is 2x. Now x and x cancel out and value of b is 3 by 2. We add and subtract value of b in this equation. We add and subtract the value of b, the square of b. Now we arrange this first of all, that is x square plus 3 by 2 square plus 3x plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 square. Now we solve the square, that is 9, square of 3 is 9 and square of 2 is 4. Okay friends, and that is equal to the that is the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab, and that is equal to always a plus b square. Okay my friends, you already know about this formula, and now we will change this in this equation, that is a, the x plus, and that is b 3 by 2 square plus, now we solve this equation, 5 by 2 minus 9 by 4. Now we take LCM, that is 4, and now we take LCM, that is 10 minus 9, x plus 3 by 2 square plus 10 minus 9, that is 1 by 4. We solve this equation. Now we put this in I2. Okay friends, and at there we also change it in a square, that is 4, and square of 2 is also 4. Okay friends, now we put this in a I2, and the I2 equation is 1 by 2 integration dx by, and we put, that is x plus 3 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square. Okay friends, now if we put x plus 3 by 2 is equal to t and dx equal to dt, then it converted into a formula, then x plus 3 by 2, let हम assume कर लेते हैं, suppose x plus 3 by 2 is equal to t and dx is equal to dt, then the equation will come, that is dt by t square plus 1 by 2 square, and that equation 1 by 2 dt by t square plus 1 by 2 a square, that is converted into formula type. Then we show the formula list, formula chart is there, that is present in your book at the in the starting of the exercise. Then you see dx by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tangent inverse x by a plus c, and you see at the place of x there is t, variable plus, and at the place of a, that is 1 by 2. Then that is the same structure at there, and we apply this formula in this question. Now we convert it into this formula, that is a formula is 1 by a tangent inverse x by a plus c. Then 1 by a, in this 1 by a is 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 tangent inverse x by a, x is t by a 1 by 2 plus c. Okay friends, now we solve this. Now we put the value of t and arrange this in a sequence. Then 1 by 2, that is 2 tangent inverse t, we let it, t is x plus 3 by 2. Then we take it x plus 3 by 2, and 1 by 2, that is 2 plus c. Now in the question, that is 1 by 2 at there, then we take 1 by 2 in the bracket, 1 by 2, and here 1 by 2. Okay friends, now we solve it. Then 1 by 2, then open the bracket, 1 by 2 multiply 2 tangent inverse 2 x plus 3 by 2 plus c2, because we solve I2 part of this question, then that is cancel, and tangent inverse 2 x plus 3 by 2 plus c2. Okay friends, now that is a I2 part. Now we go back in the question, and we have been already solved that. That is a question is x plus 2, 2x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 4 I1 plus 1 by 2 I2, and we already solved I1 and I2 part. I1 part is equal to log 2x plus 6x plus 5 plus c1, and I2 part is there. Then we put it in this reaction, that is equal to 1 by 4 I1 is log 2x plus 6x plus 5. Okay friends, that is plus c1, and after it, and I2 part, that is 1 by 2 I2 is tangent inverse 2x plus 3 by 2 plus c2. Now we take c1 c2 at another side, like that, that is 1 by 4 log 2x plus 6x plus 5 plus that 1 by 2 is multiply, that is 1 by 2 tangent inverse 2x plus 3 by 2. So friends, now that is c1 plus c1 and C2. Okay friends, now we know that is a at there C1 plus C2 is equal to C. Then we put it there and we solve the question. And first of all we take common 1 by 2, we take common in this, then we take common 1 by 2, 1 by 2 at there, log 2x plus 6x plus 5, that is mod, plus tangent inverse 2x plus 3 by 2 and plus c. That is a answer. Okay friends, you see that is a answer. If any queries comes whenever you solve the questions, then you ask me in the comment box. Okay friends, thank you. I meet you in the next video.